It's been a hell of a journey so far. I definitely recommend going check out our last few videos, getting all caught up. Now that we have the seat adjustment motors wired up, ready for the toggle switches, which are on order, I'm gonna steer away from this project and work on the seat belts, which going with the factory BMW seat belt, the idea is gonna be to put a plate with a nut welded here, which should have been done before the roll bar was installed. Didn't foresee this happening, didn't know what I was doing. Best option. So I have to put a plate mount here and build a plate down here that I'm gonna mount up, just bolt it in to the bottom of the seat bracket for the roller. So let's get started.
I didn't want to see you when you came home, 'cause you always try to hurt me and that's so low. When I talk to you about it, you're in defense mode. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. How can we work on ourselves when you say no? Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in.
My plan is I'm gonna make multiple holes so that I have an adjustment for if somebody's shorter driving, we can lower the seatbelt down and it can fit their shoulder correctly so we have no issues with safety.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me on me.
like I said before, not pretty, but gets the job done. After getting it all together, it really doesn't look too bad. It works good, looks good, and functions safely. Now, the only issue I did notice is when it retracts, it rubs against the seat so it doesn't fully retract. Not the end of the world, something I could fix at a later date, but it's installed and works. Now I just had to do a few little things that I've been meaning to do. Fix the lights, I had to add some padding, and just some odds and ends to tidy up. Overall, this is looking great. The seats look good, the seat belts are working. I couldn't be happier. Yeah, the positioning could work a little better with the seats and the seat belts could retract better, but overall, it looks phenomenal. Now we move on to, I have the center console and some seat covers and a radio to install. And I know what you're thinking, seat covers over the brand new seats, but I want to protect them and I don't want them to sun fade, and I want to see if I can protect the motors underneath a little bit if I want them to operate. So these are actually waterproof covers, so they will hold water and they look kind of cool.
Teu sorriso corta tudo ao meu redor. Quando fico longe tudo perde o tom. No seu movimento perco direção, mas sigo firme, sigo tua vibração. Chama que eu vou te encontrar. Nem o céu consegue segurar. Se o mundo travar, deixa travar. Nosso ritmo ninguém vai parar.
Alright, so here's the idea. So this is clearance now. Plenty of clearance after cutting that out. The idea in the long run would be a big boot cover here to just cover everything besides the shift knobs, of course. And then we have the cup holders slot here. Right there. Then we have our speaker wire running right there, all the way up here, coming out the middle. And this is going to come through somewhere in this cubby. Right. If I can get it. Underneath there, probably through the sidewall right there. Then we are going to put the radio right there. And then just shut this like that. Oh yeah, and this part goes lastly. Stuff all this down there. This one over here. Just like that. This will be covered. And voila! Oh yeah, and check this out. That is from 2 bolts missing right there and back in there. And this one, look at this, hand tight.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share on this video, and also hit that subscribe button. Really helps me out a lot. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.